welcome back. If you have not get the copy of One Way Out of Corporate Slavery, then this is the time to go get this copy. What this book's going to moving from the public to private for those that is dumb, blind, and stupid to the law. That means you're ignorant to the law. Look up the word that what that means. To taxes for estate and trust. That means you don't know about taxes, the laws, estate and trust. Now this is going to be the book for you. All you need to know about settling your debt, sending your notification for record, dealing with Social Security Administration, creating your book, let your administration process, and filing your UCC. So if this is something that you want to know, and you don't want to be no longer breadcrumbs by a guru, then this is the opportunity for you to go down and learn the part of how to do an administration process correctly, dealing with certain things that associate with your bills, your estate, your trust. Then this is the book for you. How to send out your notification, how to deal with each government department when you come dealing with certain things, how to file the proper UCC. This is the book for you. We go into permanent details. So if you're not interested in knowing how to do this, then this is the best time to move on your journey and proceed to the next video that you was previously watching. Because what we do, we go into certain details that cover certain things of the law, and you're going to want to need to do that when you're covering UCC amendment, UCC, or the UCC, even financial statements when it comes to financial statement, etc. So this is going to be the book for you if you want to go down the road, the rabbit hole, in understanding how to deal with what you want to deal with when it comes to certain things in the system. So go ahead and get your copy of Day One Way Out of Slavery, moving from the public to the private. It's a one way out of corporate slavery. Is a step-by-step method to live a successful life in the private by overcome obstacles, challenges of the straw man effect that are known as the birth certificate name spelled in all caps, or the fictitious corporate name, to live abundant life by using a simple method to get out of corporate sinister status to the United States Corporation and receive the Indigenous American Indian status, which was always the American Indigenous origin prior to the American invasion. You want to get this before you move on. You want to get volume 1 and volume 2 before you move on to this, because everything is moved in the appropriate structure for you to get what you need to do and line up everything the right way in order. No more breadcrumbs by guru. This is the book for you. Go ahead and get your copy today and start your journey moving out of the rabbit hole. Understand the system where we have where we give certain details of how to get an understanding why we do this, how we do this. So if you want to proceed, I understand you proceed at your own leisure. If you want to settle your debt, we give an introduction of why we here, how we come to this point of view when they deal with the system, understand what happened and how you can start your administrative process to settle your debt in an appropriate way. Go ahead and take this copy of this book and move on your journey. So if this is interesting, go ahead and get a copy. You'll find it on Amazon. We're going to make it available on TikTok and any media out there. But get your copy today and start your journey to pursue what you want to pursue when it comes to your personal life, your estate, your trust, your business, etc. We thank you for stopping by. We're going to move on to more prevalent detail. We see you in the next video. Get your copy. Like, subscribe, and share. All right, y'all take care.